Hey, what's up? It's your Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're doing something fun. That's because we're gonna be unboxing the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition. Okay, so first of all, we already have a full review on the OPPO Reno5. And if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link up here. But stick around because I have a big surprise for you guys aside from the awesome unboxing that we're going to be doing. I mean, we are Unbox PH after all. So yeah, let's start with the box. We have a plain black box with some red styling around it. But that's only to give a spotlight to the embossed Avengers symbol in the middle. On the left side, we have the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition branding in bright red. And it kinda reminds me of Miles Morales. Grabe guys, excited na ako to unbox this phone. On the back, we have the usual stickers with all the extra details we'll get into later. Upon opening, we are greeted by the embossed symbols of different Avengers. This is a very nice touch, but it doesn't stop there. Right beneath the box cover, there are comic-style portraits of some of your favorite Marvel heroes. This is super cool, and my inner geek is kinda losing it. It's definitely a box I'll keep around. I'm not gonna throw it away. But then again, you're not supposed to throw away your boxes, especially if you have warranty. Inside the sleeve is the usual documentation. Nothing branded or special here, but it's still very important. Always keep these and wag na wag niyong itatapon. And under that is the phone, but we're gonna be skipping that for now. And don't worry because we are not breaking the hype. Here's the big surprise. Ladies and gents, I would like to introduce one of my good friends and the newest member of the event. I mean Unbox PH. Guys, let's welcome Elle.
Hey everyone, it's me, Elle, and I'm glad to be on board with Unbox PH.
So Elle, what do you think of what we've unboxed so far?
The box itself is super sleek, and it has Marvel's branding all over it. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Same here, so let's continue. We have a special edition Marvel case included in the package. It's made of really good quality material and doesn't feel flimsy at all. It has the same design as the inner part of the box, with big silver Marvel branding. The sides are translucent, and for a good reason I'll get into later. Inside the case is a sleeve, which holds the Avengers ejector pin. That sounded weird and cool at the same time. If you were in the Avengers, ito siguro yung gagamitin mo if you get a new phone. What do you think of the case, Elle?
This phone case reminds me of every Marvel movie cinematic intro. From the comic design to all the red and the Marvel logo, it almost brings me back to the time when I watched the Avengers back in the cinema. You'll definitely need this case to protect your phone from the action of the outside world. Kaya for Marvel fans out there, don't waste no time. This phone is definitely for you.
Right you are. And if you're a Marvel collector, this would make a great addition to your collection. Next up, we have the 50-watt flash charger that's included in the package. We have nice Avengers branding here in red. And we also have earphones included. It has both the Iron Man and Captain America symbols in silver. The plugs are black, and the wires are in a nice consistent red, which happens to be the same case for the USB-C cable included. And I think that's everything included aside from the phone, right Elle?
That's right! Team Cap or Team Iron Man. Why not both, diba? Di na kailangan ng Civil War. Everything that you need to optimize your phone is inside that box. You're ready to go!
Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the phone. The back design is just wow, grabe guys. Maganda siya. You get the Avengers symbol in nice silver, and you get some shiny red styling as well. And of course, we have both the OPPO and Marvel branding, but what really gets me is the textures. The phone is mostly matte, which makes those parts print-proof, the way I like it. And the parts that kinda look like Cap's armor are textured as well. On the right side, we have a power button with a little green slit that kinda looks like a hidden infinity stone. On the left side, we have the SIM tray and the volume rocker. The buttons and the sides look really cool and stylized, which explains why the sides of the case were translucent, so you could still see the styling. Below, we have the 3.5mm jack port, USB-C socket, and the loudspeaker. So no need for an earphone dongle, and you can plug your cans right in. I know Elle's dying to say something, so take it away.
The overall design and lines around the phone reminds me of the Avengers Endgame quantum suits. Dude, Thanos is probably shaking because of how good this phone looks. With the symbol and the texture, this device will definitely make you feel like you can take on the world.
Now for the screen, we have a 6.4-inch Full HD display, which sports a 90Hz refresh rate. Like I said, we have a full review on this, so you can check that out for more details. But based on my time with this, it looks really good and can go very bright. And everything felt snappy and fast, which is bolstered by its very fast 90Hz refresh rate. And of course, the Snapdragon 720G, 8GB of RAM, and the included 128GB of storage. And for the screen, the only disruptor was the punch hole on the upper right side for the selfie camera, which we'll talk about later.
Gamers, assemble! This phone can smoothly run games such as Marvel Super War. At syempre, you can watch your favorite Marvel movies and TV shows like a true Avenger in Full HD.
And if you haven't already noticed, the OS is also suited in full-blown Marvel, from the icons to the lock screen and the clock. Now for the cameras, we have a 64MP f1.7 main shooter, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. For the front, we have a whopping 44MP f2.4 selfie camera. We have a very packed lineup here, so let's make the photos speak for themselves.
Whoa, this feels like a powerful phone for vlogging. Maybe almost as powerful as Scarlet Witch. But you can take really awesome superhero selfies with this phone, and don't forget your regular day-to-day photography.
But of course, if you want to see a full video on its cameras and how they can be used for blogging, check out the link above for Burr's video. Now superpowering this phone is a 4310mAh battery. Malaki yung battery, so you can watch your favorite media and play your favorite games like Marvel Super War for hours on end. And if you want to charge up, super bilis lang because we have a 50-watt fast charger. But if you're charging up to head out, please wear a mask, because remember, real heroes wear masks. So there you have it, a look at the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition. It sure is packed with anything a Marvel fan would want in a smartphone, inside and out.
This phone is an absolute beauty. From the specs, to the design, to the logo, it's the perfect device for all the Marvel fans out there. Sobrang ganda at super worth it pa.
You can grab one for just 19,999 pesos at select OPPO Concept Stores. A really good price for a special edition phone. Anyway, thanks for joining me for the video, El.
Thanks for having me. I'll see you guys in more videos soon.
You can check out reviews on this and many other smartphones on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe, because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So, watch out for that, and don't forget to sub to Unbox. Also, don't forget to hit that notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop them videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.